Thanks for coming. You guys, my video on pilot like 20 minutes ago. That's crazy. I go to wildlife I don't want to show my face earlier because we're cooking over here. So I show what I'm joking. I went live video 20 minutes ago, but she video the gag, and I don't like that. I don't like that kind of plan. I plan to go live video tomorrow, like when I prepare myself, and then they walk downtown Kigali, and then they when you a lot of places. So I was outside in the balcony. I went live. The next thing I know, I think kind of save and video. As soon as I'm like, what happened? No. I don't want to delete that video. I was so mad, so I have to come back again. Okay. I have to come back again. I have to. But right, I like video. I take them a So Teddy, the kitchen can you imagine? It's big. They have a lot of like big kitchens. Yeah, if me again friend, if you're a friend of Zoola, let me call her Zoola. I'm gonna call her Zoola because should Clubhouse. If you're a friend of her, please share this video. Anyway, she know me. She know how I look like. And yeah, but she video this is the reason why. Okay, the first video but chada Palestinian lunjok. Okay, because Bob and warning, I'm here to warning you, Zoola. Okay, send everybody call you Zoola in the clubhouses. Look, and I don't deal with people who are hiding themselves. I don't deal with people who are hiding themselves in the clubhouse. Because so many of you people in the clubhouses, you cannot come here and show your faces. The way and you disrespect, you know me very well, I cannot let it go. I cannot even enjoy my vacation here. Okay? This is my brother's house. I go and show you guys. Because what are you guys are saying? Rwanda. Mimi, she's in Rwanda. Rwanda, Bulmel. You guys have been talking about it for the past 2 days. This is my brother's house here. Okay? And my family are sitting over there. Here, go to bucket the stuff. Okay? The dining room, living room, tanatin. Okay? So, propaganda nukun, leave me alone. Tell you Rwanda. My family is here. Every time I come here, I come to my family house. Tell wood mabakude. Katelo bulmel mijongano Rwanda. This is my third time coming here. I came here 2022, 2023. This is my third time. So Zoola, as you know, you have been pushing it from the clubhouse. She warning so many times. I warning you because you cannot play politics, Zoola. Your politics is very, very pathetic. After I'm done here, I'm going to open another room about you later or tomorrow. Because right now it's almost midnight. Who you call it ugly earlier? In the front of Judea and in front of everybody. You was insulting me in the front of people. Talking about whole woman. You 45 years. I could be 70. That's a blessing. Take an want to look at age of 5, age of 2, age of 5. They cannot even make it there. If I'm 45, I'm 75, I'm 90. That's a blessing. What did that have to do with politics, Zoola? That's all you have? That's it? Pathetic woman? That's the only thing you have to know. And you call it politics, Zoola? That your politics? You nyamimi jinchiak gani. You send your picture to your husband. Chajek post a wood young. Look at you here. Who the hell are you talking to? Who are you talking to? You call it my husband. I could do anything I want to do with him. If it happened that I have to send picture of my husband, that's my husband. The father of my kid, it's called reality. That's the beauty of it. Now, a pointer. That's your politics too. That's the only thing that you know how to do. You cannot even debate. You cannot even debate, Zoola. You pathetic. You a pig or rat. Look at how you talk in the front of the real politicians in the clubhouse. What is your politics? Do you know anything about politics? Who tells you politics? Lana kuna audience. Lana kuna audience politics. Anga lari jimo. You run around left to right, right to left, cussing people out in the clubhouses. Who are you, mayor? You mayor kutay ajinga. You push it. She warning Nikkei 2 months ago. Zoola. Your politics is pathetic and it's very, very stinky. That's not how people play politics. You go to the aparak room, you cuss people out over there. In the room that you go, you cuss people out. That's what you call politics, man? I'm going to open a room. I did earlier. But Shaben, I gave her a green. She dropped me, and then she deleted my room because I'm new in politics. And in what do you call it, clubhouses? 6 months. Back and forth. Luanya Joko, she video them now. And I'm in the kitchen right now. So I decided to come live quickly. Okay, you know what? First of all, politics is not all about personal life. Like I said, whatever you know about me, that's your business. I talk about my life all the time. I don't have anything, any secret to hide. I have nothing to hide. I could talk about myself. But look at you. Look at you. If I decided to support Bulmel today, I could do it. If I want to support Riek Machar like I have been doing it for years, I could do it. Politics is dirty. It's dirty. Poo-poo, you're not going to understand. Pathetic woman. Why you act like a little girl over here in the clubhouses? Zoola? Or should I call you with your real name, Nyemer Kute, from Sioux Falls, South Dakota? Isn't it we went to high school together in 2001? I mean 2001. From 2000 to 2001. Isn't it we went to Washington High School together in Sioux Falls, South Dakota? You was acting tough. Oh, you don't know me just because you have a fake picture and a fake name. Isn't it the White Army boys that you guys are together with? in the clubhouse room. Do you know some of them are my brother? White dummy. God the other con. Need to thank you, God mattered up onake. Do you think that I'm not twice a year, but get away with it? I think you're out of the talk, but you admit, Teddy, I still know exactly who you are. Matter of fact, take a shoe down the road. House. You see? You cannot hide from me. Charlotte do bit, Charlotte do Zoola. B-I-N-T. That's you. And then another name is Zoola. Isn't it that room I have a lot of cousin in it? Can got a white Hamilton con. Or Pananiel. Isn't it I belong to this community? Isn't it I used to support this IO? Where were you when we were supporting your uncle, Riek Machar? Where were you? You was running around with all this Dinka men. Why you act like a baby? Your firstborn. You have it with the Dinka guy, Zoola. 2003, and that baby passed away. I'm so sorry that it happened. Gadu meshiliu. Dab ye ke wudjanga. Malish, oh, you lost your child. That's not that. I mention it because be a and we will try to an audience. Care back, Ronnie. I know you very well, you mad. Your firstborn with the Dinka guy. You meet another Dinka guy, you have a baby with that baby still alive. And then show them Tayan Kelly, it would young Tayan Kagad. And then more a young 100%. And I'm a daughter Tiang, Kajang now while we talking. If we talk about gang. And I'm a daughter Tiang Kajang, if you are allergic to Dinka. I thought I'm Tiang Kajang between me and you. And I quite a Runo. I know everybody. If I have to talk about your family now, and South Dakota, you're not gonna like it. You were so lucky. I was gonna cuss you out big time earlier. Because you retarded, you idiot. Learn your politics right. Surely not ugly woman. Send when you become beautiful, mad. Send when. While I just get surgery. Talking about you use cream. I use makeup. We use cream together. We used to go and buy cream when we were in South Dakota. If you quit using cream, good for you because I did. Isn't it pathetic when people are hiding themselves and then they're trying to trash you around? Zoola? I keep telling you that I know you. No, you don't know me. Now what? I know you guys one by one. Like I promise you guys, 100%. You come for me, I come for you. Because clubhouse there, you have to play it. You deal with the stupid people, you act stupid. You deal with the tough one, you act tough. Because I can't play the language that you understand. It's up to you. If I want to open a room for you later, or I will do it tomorrow, I will. Because you're trashing me while you're hiding yourself in the clubhouse. You cannot show yourself here. Because you know you're ugly. Why are you telling me the thing? We need cause who for? You want me to talk? You want me to talk, man? Stop it. I cannot deal with your cowardness. Why are you using two names? Clubhouse, Bit, and Zoola. Zoola, Bit, Zoola. Cannot even speak for 2 minutes. Can't even debate. And that room called the Haparak. Hey, man, the Alancon, can you the Alancon? Politicians. You don't mess around with them. You prepare yourself. You know about when you're a weak killer. You prepare yourself. And then you debate. And it's your bad or you're darling. Okay. Again, and no more. Learn how to debate first, Zola. One by one. The more of the dobka, I will talk about you. Remember, I can be your nightmare. Sure, when you come around with a fake name. Here, you calling yourself Zola, and then you call yourself Vet. Look, your mother, she's a Dinka. Your first child that passed away is a Dinka. The second one is a Dinka. Your four ex-boyfriend was Dinka man. I only have one. Okay? If I move on, it's going to be 2. But you have 7 of them. What I do with my husband is me and my husband. What does that have to do with you? Me, beautiful Mimi. Of course, my husband is my husband. If I want to take a picture, I send it to my husband. That's mine. If I do it now, I could do it. I do it tomorrow, I do it. If I have done it before, good for me. What do I have that you don't have? Come on to need a poke. Sit up a God. Of course, keep a God. I think you have 6 of them now, Zola. You have 6 kids or 5. Plus the one that passed away. They all Dinka. And we want to come on. Come on, young. Look, you back off. This is just the beginning.